Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of TheCodeWork. I am Swasti and I'm a part of the digital marketing team. And in today's episode of the Artboard, we'll be discussing about the tricks and hacks of marketing in the digital world and how you manage your business or how you manage marketing online. Okay, but before we begin, let me tell you that this is the second episode of the series that we have recently started, naming the Artboard. So you can also check out the first episode, which has some really cool tricks and tips of the digital creatives and how you can be a digital creator in 2021. And if you are an entrepreneur or you are thinking of starting your own very business, so you might have heard the term MVP here and there. So if you want to know what that is and want to explore that topic, you can refer to our other videos on our timeline. We'll also be providing the links in the description given below. So, okay, let's begin with today's topic. Most of you all must be familiar with the term digital marketing, but for those who are not, don't worry, I got you. So, what is digital marketing? Okay, if I put it in very simple words, any marketing campaign that involves digital communication is digital marketing. Okay, so today we'll be covering search engine optimization and how to do the content marketing, and then we'll be covering social media marketing and website optimization. We'll talk about some cool tools. We'll be talking about design. We'll be talking about email marketing. We'll be talking about how do people advertise digitally. We'll be talking about infographics, analytics, and last but not the least, integrated strategies. So yay, let's go. Search engine optimization and content marketing. When we talk about content marketing, it is really important that you have variety in your content. When I say variety of content, I mean you should have mini blogs, you can have infographics, you can have case studies. Presentation of content should be in various forms. To get an idea, you can refer to our website. The link is given in the description below. Okay, let's talk about social media marketing now. What social media marketing really is. Nowadays, online presence is the key to success. And what's better than social media, right? So, firstly, you should explore as many social medias as you can. Like, you can explore Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr, every social media. And if you want to get an idea about which type of content you should post on these handles, you can refer to our social media handles. We are everywhere. Next is website optimization. Nowadays, everyone is using their smartphone. Very rarely people open their laptops just to go to a website. It does not happen. Your website has to be mobile friendly because people, I just told you, use their smartphones to surf through the internet. So make sure that your website is optimized well enough that it fits all screen and it fits all sizes. It should fit tabs, it should fit smartphones, it should fit laptops, it should fit all different shapes and sizes. Let's talk about the role of tools in digital marketing. So digital marketing is the best of many worlds. Hence, to have the best result on every marketing platform, make sure that you use the right set of tools. You have to have a schedule for your posts. If you want to schedule your post according to American time zone, so you cannot just stay awake all night to post one post, right? There are tools for it, there are stuff that can help you. You can schedule your post beforehand and voila, it's done. It will be posted, you will be sleeping, you can do anything and it will be posted at the time when you've scheduled it. One of my favorite tools that I prefer using is Creator Studio for Instagram and Facebook. It's a very user friendly tool. And then there's Crowdfire for Twitter and LinkedIn. You can also refer to our website. We have a very really cool blog about that talks about effective tools for digital marketing. It has some really cool tools that you'll find super important and super useful. uh, we have added the link in the description below, so you can go to that blog from there. Let's talk about design. So you must have heard the saying that first impression is the last impression. Same goes in the digital world. Design is very important. What the customer sees in the first place, what impression you're giving is very important. As it says, it is all about looks here. In order to grab attention to your platform, your design needs to be on point. You have to grab the attention within 2-3 seconds. Photoshop is the best tool if you're into designing, but if you're new to designing, you should start with Canva first. Canva is also a really cool app, really cool tool that you can use for designing. Then there's Filmora for video editing, video post editings. Then there's InShot. InShot and Filmora, these are video editing apps. Let's talk about email marketing. Email marketing has ruled the space for a very long time. With an email marketing tool, you can send them your company's updates and various promotions to keep in touch personally and professionally. With email marketing, you get to personalize your relationship with your customer. So it's a very integral part of digital marketing, and also it gives you a very affordable way of advertising. So way to go, email marketing. Digital advertising. So digital advertising means it's all about ads and campaigns. You must have heard about Google ads, right? So it also includes Google ads and campaigns of various social media platforms. To digitally advertise is that you get everywhere, even where you're not subscribed. So digital advertising is also a very important part, and it helps you get more and more reach. Okay, who doesn't love infographics, right? If you're not familiar with the term, infographics is a graphical design that contains information. You can only portray information through pictures, or you can add very little amount of text. So that's what infographics is. So it helps attract attention better than any other form of design, because that's with our human brain. It can process pictures way quicker. So to work on infographics to communicate the features and virtues of your business is a very important part. Like, if you want to take a great example, you can refer to our website's explore page. The link is given in the description below. And also to our Instagram handle. There are some really cool infographics on our Instagram handle and also on our explore page. Let's talk about analytics. So it is really very important that you analyze your strengths and your weaknesses. You must have heard about Google Analytics. It provides you with free tools that shows which post or which of your content is working, or it gives you a proper analysis of everything you're posting. So you can always use that. It's a great tool. Let's talk about integrated strategies. We are talking about cross channel marketing here. Let's talk about what cross channel marketing really is. It combines various marketing channels to create a more cohesive customer journey for your target audience. Why should you use cross channel marketing now? Because there are more ways than ever to reach and engage with customer in today's world, and marketers can discover deeper insight with a comprehensive approach that contains or that considers every channel. Hence, this is important. Cross channel marketing helps with the consistency. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, or like you want to add something concerning the topics that we have covered, you can leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check our websites and our social media handles. Links are given in the description below. Do like and share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more